Hello guys, in this video we are going to see about condition variable in C++. So condition variable is nothing but condition variable. Oh, it is thread synchronization primitive. Thread synchronization primitive available in C++. So thread synchronization means to avoid inconsistency in shared resource. We need to synchronize the threads so that shared resources are used properly. So there are many ways to synchronize the threads. So one of the ways condition variable. A condition variable is nothing but uh, it is a class. Condition variable is a class which is a response which, which can wait and notify the threads. Okay. For now you understand condition variable is a class which can be used to wait or notify a thread to proceed. Wait a thread. So it can be used to pause a thread or notify a thread to continue, whichever is waiting. So for achieving condition variable, we need one mutex and unique log. Unique log is mandatory. Without unique log, we cannot achieve condition variable. Then shared resource. Then predicate condition for condition variable. So predicate is nothing but which returns true or false. Okay, predicate condition for condition variable. So I will show the implementation so that you will understand easily. So this condition variable is available in the header file condition variable. Okay, so I'm including the all other header files mutex hash include thread. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to create a thread and which is going to run a function fun. And finally, before exiting, I'm going to join this and inside this fun. What I'm going to do is okay. First, let's create what all needed. So the condition variable is needed. I'm going to create declare using namespace std. And then text is needed. And then condition, then shared resource. So the shared resource is needed. And what else you need? Okay, predicate. So for predicate, I'm going to create a boolean variable. So processing allowed. So I'm going to declare all these variables. So here I'm going to wait. So CV has two functions. One is wait and notify. So for this wait, we need to pass on unique log, and here we need to have a function or a lambda, a predicate lambda. So here I am returning the processing allowed variable. Based on this predicate, whether it is returning true or false, it will wait. If it returns true, it will proceed, or else if it is returning false, then it will wait. So I am going to create a unique lock which locks the mutex m, and the same lock I need to pass it as first argument in the wait function. So after this I'm going to use the shared resource. So shared resource, if shared resource is 0, then I'm going to do some processing 3, processing logic for multiple for 3, else I'm going to do processing for non 3. Okay, so consider now, for now I have written a single print statement, but consider this is a big logic. Okay, so this condition variable will wait upon the predicate. So if it is returning true, then it will acquire the lock for this unique lock, and it will continue proceeding. If it returns false, then it will automatically unlock. It is handled inside the condition variable itself. Okay, so this is one thing, and here I am going to do what I'm going to do is here uh, here I'm going to lock here I'm going to set the modify the shared resource to some value. Here I'm setting to 3, and before this I need to lock the mutex, so I can do it using logguard or scoped lock. Scoped lock is mainly used for having, if we have multiple mutex, that time we can use, but unique lock also we can use, but there is no use of using unique lock here because there is no transfer of data, or we are not doing any we are not having any condition variable, so we can go for logguard. So that is the most simple and efficient thing. So I'm using logguard here and the LG, and I'm going to acquire mutex here. Scope, I'm creating scope so that it will be automatically released. The mutex is unlocked after using the shared resource. Here what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this processed allowed is true, and here I'm going to notify 1. So we have two kinds of notify 1 and notify all. Notify 1 means randomly it will choose any thread, and it will notify that. If we have multiple threads waiting for using the same CV, then if we call notify all will be notified. Okay, so here if I notify, then whichever is waiting here will be notified and it will proceed. Okay, so I'm going to print here in function. So let's see what is the output here. I missed the semicolon here. So here it has came to, first it has acquired this lock, then it has came to function. Okay, initially initializing with 1. So it is waiting. So here it is returned false, so it is unlocked the mutex and it is waiting here. At the same time, it is here in main thread. It has acquired the lock and changing the shared resource and changing the processing allowed. Then it is notifying it. Okay, once it is notified, again it will acquire the lock and it will check. It is now it is changed to 3, so it is if condition has passed and it is printing 3. This print statement and it is proceeding. Okay, so this is condition variable. So we can check. You can create a shared variable for checking whether thread can proceed or not. So if the data is ready, then only it need to uh, do the processing. Means we can use CV like a condition variable. Once it is ready in other thread, we can notify all other threads to proceed. So this is condition variable. So condition variable have two functions mainly: wait and notify. Wait will use unique lock and has predicate, and based on the predicate whether it is returning true or false, it will lock the mutex and proceed, or it will unlock automatically inside and it will block the thread. And here we have notify on. And if we have created multiple threads, so for example I am creating multiple threads for I equal to 0, I is less than I plus plus. So I am creating a vector of threads. So I am creating multiple threads and I am pushing back to vector. Okay, so finally for auto t in v, finally what I'm doing is t dot join. Okay, so here finally I am unlocking the here unlocking the unique lock here. So if you see here, so if you see here how many, so I have created 5 threads. I have pushed to vector. Each 5 is waiting in fun function. So actually before waiting, the processing has changed it to true. So that's why we are getting this deadlock. So I'm going to put sleep this thread. Sleep for 2 seconds. I'm going to make this to sleep before notifying. So here we have notified it and we have quit lock and based on condition. Yeah, here I am not notifying anything, so that's why I am getting error. Here also I should notify. So I am having 5 threads are waiting, but I have notified only one. That's why it is waiting. So deadlock happened. So now I have notified all. So that's it, guys. So this is about condition variable. Thank you.